Hello again everyone. In this video we are going to look at how to set up some products on the online shop that's available on the Kosape.com website. Together with me on this video I have Saudara Ali, who is going to ask questions as I show you these things, and perhaps some of the questions that he asked will also help to answer some of the questions that you may have in mind. Okay, so we're going to start now. First of all, go over to the website, which is at kosape.com, kosape.com, and log in into the website like this. Which brings you to the website. And if you are an administrator of the website, you will have this menu here, which you should click and get into the administrators menu. Okay, the shop is over here. Go to components and then go to Hikashop. This takes you to the dashboard of the shop itself. You can see here we have not sold anything yet. If you have sales, then you will be able to see on this dashboard a few key summaries. How much orders have you got this month? How much orders have you got so far? What's the average order price? And how many current orders you have that's not fulfilled yet. Okay, let's look at the screen first. This is the Hikashop component of Joomla. There are a lot of other components here. See, there are a lot of other components here, and they don't look the same as this one. This is in particular the component for Hikashop in Joomla. Now, after you've gone to this page, you can see that there is a menu right on top here, which allows you to manage your shop. The system menu is used to configure the shop, to set up your geographic zones, payment methods, shipping methods, for you to install additional plugins or enable them, set up your warehouses, set up your tax rules, set up currencies, check your order status, manage your emails, and do a few other things. The products menu allows you to add products, manage your products, define your product categories, define your product characteristics, define your brands, create badges. Badges are icons that you use on your products to say whether they are on discount or they are out of stock. Set up limits, how many orders you can make, how many units of a product that you can order, the sort of limits. And this is where you can view your registered customers. You can set up voting on your products. You can view their shopping carts. You must remember that sometimes customers go to your website, they fill out the shopping cart, but then they do not proceed to complete the order. So you may wish to have a view at those outstanding carts and ask the customer whether they would like to complete their orders. Wishlist allows your customer to put some products aside, waiting for the time when they are ready to buy them. Email history. Email history means emails that you send to your customers. This menu, orders, allows you to look at your orders, set up your discounts, set up discount coupons, enter orders, and view a few reports regarding orders. This menu items under display allows you to set up a few things about your displays. And we also have a component here apart from Hikashop, we also have something called Hikamarket. So Hikamarket is this. Hikamarket allows other people to sell their products on your shop. Each vendor will have their own particular area where they will not be able to see other people's products, but they can use their own area to manage their own products, change the prices, or change the pictures, or change the specifications, or manage their orders. So under Hikamarket, you can also set up a few parameters. We also have another product here called Hikashop. This is Hikashop. Hikashop allows you to sell products on auction rather than on normal basis. And finally, this menu here allows you to access some training material and forums regarding how to run the shop. Let's look at how you would want to, first of all, configure a product category. Just go down to categories here. From the next screen that you're going to see, you're going to be able to view the product categories that has been created. These are the product categories. So we have created here shoes, and shoes may be broken down into men's shoes, women's shoes, children's shoes. We have computing products. We also have e-books here. Okay, you have French books, English books, and we have products pertaining to automobiles, cars and spare parts. If you were to click one of these, say for instance you were to click on men shoes, there's no men's shoes defined. Let's look at women's shoes then. No women's shoes either. Oh, we don't have any shoes on sale. Oh, we don't have any subcategory under women and men's shoes anymore. See, when you click on shoes, you can see the subcategories under shoes. There is men's shoes, women's shoes, and kids shoes. But there's no further subcategories under men. So that's the last level. We go to computing. We have subcategories under computing called peripherals and computers, but we don't have anything else, any other subcategories under peripherals. Neither do we have any other subcategories under computers. Oops, sorry, I just click on that thing. Okay, now let's say I want to create a new category, a new product category. Say this is going to be household products. So I click on new just now, and now I just have to put in the name of the category, which is household products, whether the category is published or not. If I say no, then this entire category will not appear on the website. This is the parent category for this category. So this category exists on the highermost level, so it's under product category by itself. Layout means how I want it to be displayed, and quantity means how I want the quantity to be input. Inherit here means that I don't want to set any specific way of displaying this product, this category, and I don't want to specify any specific way of inputting the quantity purchased, but I want to inherit these values from the setting of the website itself. It is best that you leave these values to inherited so that you can manage the layout and the input method according to the website itself. Now here you can create an image to represent that particular category. So I have household products here. This is one way that you can do it. You can just go to Google and look for household products. I want to look for an icon that represents household products. There you go, I've found some icons here. If I were to click on images, I can see more icons. let's say I'm going to use this icon to represent that particular category. So I just save this icon on my desktop. There you go. All this, okay, icon household products, and I come back here and I choose the same file again to be uploaded. So this is the photo. Okay, access level says whether everybody can access this product. None means nobody can access this product. Custom means certain type of members, registered members on this website can access this product. Public means everybody can access it. Guest means only unregistered users can access this product. Manager and administrators are people who's appointed as managers and administrators. Registered users are users who have registered themselves with the website. This is equivalent to guest plus registered. Guest plus registered is equal to public. Authors are people designated as authors, editors, publishers. These are all designated users, and super users are super administrators of the website. So I'm going to say that everyone can access this particular class. Here I can write a bit of something on household products. So if I just for this example, I'm going to cut and paste some text from somewhere, and I'm just going to paste them. See, I'm just going to copy this text over here. I'm going to paste the text here. There you go. If I save this, see, the image has changed to the one that I determined just now, and I can close this now. I have saved this, remember, and you can see that I have now household products under product category. Okay, ini kategori lah, sedap. Kena edit. Okay, how do you create a new product on the website? You go to products here and you click on add a product. Right, I'm going to feature this product on the website. This high power blender called I'm just going to copy this name. This is the name of the product, and I'll say the code is 1800SSK. This is for your SKU, okay? And how many quantities of this product that I have? If I leave this blank, it's going to be unlimited, and I want this product to be under the new category that we have created just now, which is household products. I'm going to remove it from product category and just leave it there. I've not created a brand for Panasonic yet, so I'm going to leave it there. And then I'm going to type down here kitchen, so that when people look for kitchen, they will find this. And I'm also going to create here food. No, not food. People look for food. Blender. Okay. This is to help people search for this product. Now, for the product images, I have downloaded 2 images of the same product. I'm going to upload them here. So you have these 2 images, but I want this image to be the primary image. So I'm going to swap the place of this image. That's going to be the primary image. This is going to be the secondary image. Now, if I have some documentation for this product, for instance, I may have a user manual. It does not have any user manual here. I'll just find a file and imagine that it's the user manual for this product. So let's say this is the user manual for the product. This EPF with the building better engineers. Okay. So I also have the user manual for the product here that users can download. Okay. Now, if you have set up your taxes, you can put up here. Maybe SST. We have not set up any taxes yet, so we won't put anything. So we are going to put down here the normal retail price for this product is 1,750. So this retail price refers to the normal retail price of this product on the market. Okay, not your price. Now, what's the price? Your price going to be? Let's say, for instance, the price that you are selling this product at is 1,700. So 50 cent less, 50 ringgit less. You're selling it using Ringgit Malaysia, and this price is applicable if people were to buy one of these products. Let's say you have a special price for people who buy a dozen of these products. So if somebody comes in and buy a dozen of these products, you are selling it at 1,006, for instance, but they have to buy a dozen, 6. See, I don't have to fill up this product with tax, it will add by itself. And that's half a dozen. And let's say if I can sell this at 1,005 if you come and buy a dozen of them. So you can set up different price range depending on the number of quantities that people buy. Here I'm going to say that this is a very good blender. I'm going to put a video here. I saw a video just now over here. Okay, we have this video. Let's see. Yeah, this is on YouTube. I'm going to get the URL of this video.
Panasonic cooking.
This is the URL. I'm going to copy it from here.
Experience fresh food like never before.
Then I'm going to put up a video of this product in here. Okay, if I were to go to see this little bracket here, right? See video. There's a video. Okay, says look for embed code. Now, where can you get your embed code? The video is on YouTube. What you do is you click on share. Click on embed. You get the embed code. This is the embed code. Copy it from here. Copy. And you stick it in here. The embed code. That's your embed code. You will embed a video of your product down there. Still is touching from YouTube. So embed code in there already. Okay, the embed code is not working. Maybe it's not working together with YouTube very well. You can embed the code this way. Let me repeat that. You go to this thing over here. Click on it, it opens another window, and you can cut and paste your embed code over here. Okay, alright. And then in here I can also put up in here I can also put up some other specs of the product. I want to cut and paste this, copy from here and paste it over here. Now you use this to appear better on the Google search and those kind of places, but we don't want to fill up this one yet. We'll cover this as a separate matter later. You can specify, say you cannot order one of these, you have to order 10 at one go, for instance. So people cannot order less than 10. Here we don't specify that, we allow people to order what, and we can also say when is this product available, from what date. You're not going to have this, but you can specify the to and from date and what type of people can order this. You can create special class for your members, and only people from that level of membership can buy this product. For instance, you could sell some special products for say loyalty card holders. This is where you specify the warehouse from where this product is going to ship. We have not defined any warehouse yet. This is important here because you need to tell people how much it weighs, and use this information later to see 6.3 kg. Use this information later to set up your delivery charges, okay, and volume as well, because some people deliver based on 22, 24, 44.7. Some people deliver based on dimensions rather than based on weight. Here are a few other things that you can specify, how you want it to be displayed. There are quite a few here. Methods of display, just leave it to inherit, because then it will conform to the standard for the website. This allows you to set up some characteristics. For instance, one characteristic you can set up is colors. So you could say, you can have different colors, and the default color is you can say that the red color is the default color. So people can choose what color of products that you want. You can also say what kind of processor this one has, for example. Of course, this is a blender, it's not very important. I'm just doing this to show you an example. So you can have processor, and you can say the default is i7. So this blender comes with i7 processor, something like that. And here you could specify some related products. Related products could mean power cable, for example, and if you have some other options, you can just specify here. And you can bundle this product with a few other products as well. Maybe this one comes with towels, for example. There are a few other things. This regards your vendor. We'll cover all this later. This one tells the buyer whether you're selling it on auction or you're selling it as a normal product. Bid increment means if I were to say 100, for example, so people have to bid upwards every 100. They cannot just specify their own price. This is not important for us right now. Okay, so we're going to save this product here, save and close. And if we were to go to household products, you see we already have this product over here, this blender. Let's see how this product is going to look like on our website. That's our website. Here's a list of a few products. We go to this shop over here. See, we have this household product, and we have this blender here, 1000. We need to work on the formatting. We've not worked on the formatting yet. This is how it appears for now. And you can also choose your options, because we specified just now that you can choose the color and the processor for it. Okay, so this is the product. This is another picture of the product. The pictures are small, unfortunately. We'll have to make it bigger later. So users can say I want to buy 1, or I want to buy 2, or I want to buy 3, or I want to buy 4. This is a good blender. We still got this thing. I've got to remove this later. We've got the spec of the product, and these are the product being displayed. So So if somebody wants to buy this product, he can add it to his cart like that. So it's added to his cart. Okay, so this is how you add a product to your shop. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching, and please try to create your own products to put on the shop. Yeah.